National President-elect from Roundtable India, Priyesh, all the other office bearers at the national and area level, my fellow 41ers, past circulars, squareless, the tablers and circulars from Surat Roundtables and Circles. Of course, Chairman Manish from Surat Roundtable 135, Chairman Praveen from 265, tablers from 195, Chairperson SLC 72 Ratika, Secretary 41ers Club 104 Jigar, incoming Area Chairman Jayesh, and Secretary Dhanesh. So all are welcome to this handover ceremony today. We begin with a small shlok from the girls of this school. They will present you a small shlok by the girls from the school. Apart from welcoming all, I would specially welcome Praveen Bhai from this school, principal of the school. બધા શિક્ષકો અને બાળકોથી આજે સ્પેશિયલી આપણા માટે આવ્યા છે. They all come here specially for us. So welcome you all and thank you very much. Now let us start. This school was supposed to be handed over in March itself, but due to unforeseen circumstances of lockdown, it is being done today. Thanks to all the vendors and especially Praveen Bhai, principal of the school, who are in constant touch with me and made sure that everything is done as required. 90 beds are going to be helpful to the boys and girls in the hostel of the school. And let me inform you that today there are 367 students in this school. 367 છોકરાઓ છે. And I'm pleased to inform you all that in the recently announced class 10 results of Gujarat board, this school had a passing percentage of 78%. As we have seen over the years, 41 clubs have been more into fellowships. But recently, a lot of clubs have started exploring other facets also, like we used to do in our sailing and surfing days. We at 104 were very keen to do a project from the beginning of this year and not depending on the size of the project. Thanks to my fellow 41er Anurag, who came up with this proposal, and the entire floor of 41 Club 104 immediately accepted it. Under the Share Your Joy theme, we soon got the sanction of the support from the nationals and also from Area Force. Thank you, Babi and Shrini, for giving us this support. Equivalent funds were brought in by donors, thanks to Vinay Bhatia and Anurag Mehra from our club. And friends, let me tell you that the pleasure increases fourfold when this has been supported by 2 tables and 2 circulars from Surat. So thank you all for supporting this. And today we are together and we have done this project at an approximate cost of 4 lakhs. And I would here take this opportunity to congratulate Prashant also for this SYJ, which he has done a phenomenal work throughout the year. I also take this opportunity to inform all of you that this Uttar Bunyadi school was built by Surat Roundtable 135 in the year 2012 at an approximate cost of 40 lakhs, when many among us were tailors. And not to forget that the school was inaugurated by none other than V.V. Ramanan, past president RTI, the then chairman of RT Foundation. Of course, mentioning VV takes me back to the years 1999-2001, where I accompanied VV, Vagesh, and Dream to various COCO AGMs, RT International AGMs, Atsumari, and other events in those years, and myself representing RT Nepal as the national president then. The three glorious years of Roundtable India. And coming back to this school, I acknowledge the presence of my fellow 41er Bhavesh Rathore, who is here, and who was the then chairman of SRT 135 when this school was inaugurated.
Darshan, Nidhi is also joined us.
Yeah, I welcome National President Ladies Circle India, Nidhi, for joining us on this occasion. Thank you. And I would also here acknowledge the presence of Mario Philip, NST Roundtable India. Now, I would also like to join hands in applauding Praveen Bhai, the principal of this school, and associated with this trust in and around Surat. And I'm pleased to inform you all that the Surat tables have been able to build around 5 schools in the last few years, only thanks to Praveen Bhai for all his efforts. Praveen Bhai, ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર કે સુરતના બધા ટેબલ સર્કલ્સ અને આજે 41ers ને પણ આ નાનું વસ્તુ અમારા માટે તમે આ કાર્ય તમારા સહયોગથી જ ન થયું છે. So as 41ers also we are here to play a small role in the betterment of the facilities of young students, the future of India. Friends, I am pleased to inform you all that in these COVID times too, Surat 41 Club 104 was instrumental in executing 2 projects of distributing the kits with the support of National Association. Thanks to Bakshi and Srini once again for the support. All this would not have been possible without the support and motivation of all my fellow 41ers, past circlers, and some of the past circlers very soon are going to become the tangents also, and the entire my 104 family. Thank you all. On a personal front, this day becomes more memorable as today is my son's Harshit's birthday. So a great sense of satisfaction for coming here today.
पूरा फंड दर्शन की तरफ से.
Lastly, I would like to share 3 lines of life lessons in Hindi. It goes as follows. जिसने खा लिया उसने उड़ा लिया, जिसने बचाया उसको छोड़कर जाना पड़ा, लेकिन जिसने दिया वो अपने साथ लेकर गया. So this art of giving which we all have learned from tabling and circling this inspires us all till today to do our small bit in a best possible way to make a better nation. Thank you all and God bless. Srini, I would request to play the video to take a virtual tour so that all the Zoom members can see this video, what we have done here. Srini?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
सबको देखना होगा.
પવનના નામ ને બધું આવી જાય ને રીતનું ખાલી કરી દે નામ કાવન જવા દો હા
તો બધા ના દેજો તો વિડિયો આપણે આ ફૂલ બનાવી દો તો જે બધા આપણા મહેમાનો જોઈન થયા છે ને એ લોકો માટે ત્યાં પ્લે થઈ એ થવા મળે.
નાખવાના એ રીતનું પાણી ટાંકી હવે આમાં નાખતો આવે અંદર અંદરના રૂમનું લઈ લીધું ને બધું.
Thank you, Shri. I hope you all were able to take a look at this fantastic premises where the school also stands, and now today the hostel with the beds inside for the students. Now I would request Chairman Tabler Manish, Surat Roundtable 135, the partners in our project, to say a few words.
ત્યાંથી અહીંયા જ આવે છે.
I would also request Chairperson Ratika also to join Manish.
72.
Good morning, all the dignitaries on and off the dais on the virtual platform, and all the members witnessing the event. I would, first of all, congratulations to all the 41ers Club for their maiden project. And it's a great pleasure and honor to be associated with this first project of theirs. पातल स्कूल जहाँ पे हम लोग ये प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं आज, जो बंकर बेड्स देने का, इसके साथ एक खास यादें जुड़ी हुई है मेरी। ये प्रोजेक्ट मेरे टेबलिंग कैरियर में का फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट है जहाँ पे मैं इसकी नींव से लेके और इसके इनॉग्रेशन तक के जुड़ा हुआ था, और आज वापस यहाँ पे ये प्रोजेक्ट करने में बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। और शायद अभी ये मतलब नेक्स्ट ईयर तो I'll be retiring, so this will be the last project as a tabler. So it's a great feeling which can't be expressed. Secondly, 41ers Club के जो members हैं, they are the founder members of 135. तो उनके साथ तो हम लोग के मतलब जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट हुए 135 के, we are associated. But today's project is all the more important, or we can say कि और भी अच्छा है क्योंकि इस प्रोजेक्ट में हम लोग सूरत के दूसरे टेबल 265, 195 भी एसोसिएट हुए हैं. So it's a great honor to and a moment where we have come all together on a single platform for this good work. Thank you.
Welcome everybody on and off the dais, all the dignitaries, and सभी बच्चों को जो छुट्टियां होने के बावजूद भी आज स्कूल आए हैं. So सबके लिए बहुत बनता है ताली कि आपका कोई छुट्टी है फिर भी स्कूल ड्रेस पहन के, and everybody has to be here. And I would like to say कि congratulations to 135 family बोलते हैं, but आज 104 के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है. So we'll say congratulations to 104 family. And 72 and 135, and also as Manish said, we all have come down to one platform. to do this project. So it's a big honor for us. We've always seen कि 135 के साथ मिलके 41ers ने project किया है, but इस बार we're very happy कि 41ers के साथ मिलके Tablers ने project किया है. So it's a big system. And पातल के साथ हम पहले भी जुड़े हुए हैं. I have come here. This was the first project which I attended in Bhavish Bhai's tenure. So I came along with my elder daughter. She was hardly 1.5 years old, and I still remember the aura which we had that day. So could feel the same vibe, so positive vibes after coming here. And all congratulations and all the efforts done from Darshan Bhai are paid well off. Congratulations, Darshan Bhai. Thank you.
Thank you, Manish and Radhika. Now I would like to invite Chairman Praveen Jain from Surat United Roundtable 265, who are also our partners, to say a few words.
Thank you, Darshan Bhai. Welcome all the dignitaries on virtual platform. It's an opportunity, Darshan Bhai, which you have given us to join with you, and we are very happy to do a project along with you. And this day we were waiting from last 3 months. Unfortunately, due to the COVID, we could not do, but it's a good day, and happy birthday to your son on this occasion. We are having 2 occasions today, and I congratulate all the 41ers Club for this great opportunity and a good project.
Thank you, Praveen. One more partner, Surat Cosmo Roundtable 195. I would like to invite ITC Ankit to address.
थैंक यू दर्शन भाई. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप सबका वेलकम. ये बात आपको सही बोले कि छुट्टियों में इधर आना इज नॉट ए इजी टास्क.
Not an easy task.
इतने बच्चों को बुलाना, सबको मास्क पहना के बिठाना इज नॉट इजी टास्क. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दर्शन भाई थैंक यू आपने हमको इस प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वॉल्व करा. आगे भी 195 हमेशा आपके लिए तैयार है कि आप कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बोलेंगे, हम लोग हमेशा आपके लिए तैयार, भले हम छोटे के लिए हमेशा आपके लिए तैयार है. बनाते रहो, तुम्हारा इन्वॉल्वमेंट हमेशा आपके साथ रहेगा. सेकंड थिंग, बच्चों इतने अच्छा हॉस्पिटल मिला है तुमको, प्लीज उनका ध्यान रखना. आगे 1 साल बाद हम जब भी आए, 2 साल जब भी आए, ऐसे ही उसको मेंटेन रख के चलना, ये हम सबके रिक्वेस्ट है. थैंक यू ऑल.
Thank you, Ankit. Now I would request National President Babji to inaugurate. So there is a plaque here which has been this thing. So I would request you to first, officially announce that this beds are being handed over to the school, and then after that, you please address this. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and what a day we are having. What a Sunday. And Darshan, first of all, my hearty wishes on the birthday of your son. So please do convey my wishes. And what better day to have this under your chairmanship and this inauguration. So do we do the inauguration first? Since you have shown the video, can we? What do I do? How do we inaugurate?
Yes, we'll do the inauguration first.
Okay.
So you can just when I open the plaque and show to everyone, you can just look at it as
Fine.
You please address.
Yeah, you can unveil the plaque here. I hereby declare the hostel block open. Yeah, Darshan, that was wonderful, and I'm sure the video says the story, and we are now officially inaugurated that. Thank you, all of you. Darshan, do I go ahead and speak now?
Yes. Definitely.
Okay. A very good morning to all of you, friends. tablers, circlers, fellow 41ers. We have a lot of stalwarts from the table fraternity as well as our 41 fraternity. I can see my immediate past president Rajiv Mehra here. I can see President-elect Priyesh Shah. I believe I can see Nidhi Gupta, LC President. I can also see Moria Philip, Hitesh Kering. Of course, our dynamic Area 4 Chairman Srini is the man behind the show. So he's always here, not only in soul and spirit, but behind the scenes. He is the all-in-one kind of star we have in the board this year. And yes, I see many dignitaries from the ladies circle. I also see past President Namrata. I don't know most of you. I wouldn't know, but a very, very warm welcome to all of you. Yes, this is the new phase of 41ers. This is where we are heading, and Surat has kickstarted the whole process. SYJ was a theme which was started off by our past President Rajiv, but actively pursued this year as a full-time project, and we have so far done many such projects, but this is the first of its kind where we are on virtual platform, and what a way. I mean, see, this shows that the spirits never wane even in times of any kind of problems. We did board meetings, Zoom meetings, we did Zoom charters, Zoom inductions, Zoom fellowships, Zoom entertainment, whatnot. Now, probably this is the first time we are doing a Zoom inauguration of a project. As a matter of fact, a couple of days back, we did, I think, Srini in Asansol in West Bengal. We inaugurated there also. It was a joint project of 41ers and tablers. So the side-by-side thing this year has been gaining a lot of momentum. I thank Priyesh, I thank Nidhi, of course Bijal, our Tangian President. For all of us, we are on the same page and we are trying to do whatever we can do together, support each other. These are good times for the movement, the side-by-side movement. And I'm sure from here on, we are only going to see a better interaction and better association. It's also a good thing that everybody is taking time out to join such historic occasions. So that is also a great support system for all such kind of activities. Darshan, my hearty congratulations to you for really taking this step. And this is definitely a very momentous occasion and historic occasion. So this is all credit to you, all credit to Area 4, all credit to 104. And we are happy to be, as a 41 association, we are happy to see the 41ers also playing an active role and joining hands with tablers and circulars. So with that, I would like to once again congratulate everyone and thank everyone for coming and joining us here. And with that, I would like to say goodbye. Thank you. Cheers and God bless. Over to you, Darshan.
Thank you, Bhakti, for your encouraging words, and we hope that a lot of 41 clubs in future also. I also acknowledge the presence of past President 41 Clubs of India, Rajiv, who is here, who has joined the school. And now I would request the principal of the school, Praveen Bhai, to say a few words.
Surat Club 41, 105 और 104 और सभी सूरत टेबलर और सर्कल जो जुड़े हुए हैं, कई सालों से जुड़े हैं, उसके साथ मिलकर काम करना है। हमें इतने साथ काम करते में मजा आ रहा है। वहाँ उपस्थित सभी टेबलर का धन्यवाद करता हूँ। जय जय भारत।
Abar Praveen Bhai. Now I would request Area 4 Chairman Srini to address us.
Thank you, Darshan bhai. This is absolutely like Tare Zameen Par,
all the stalwarts of all four organizations are here today. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the table circles and 41 clubs who have participated in making this project happen. So my congratulations to Table 135 Chairman Manish, 265 Praveen, 195 tablers, Surat LC 72 Chairman Ritika Bhatia, and circulars from 138 and everything from area 11 of RTI. I also want to acknowledge the presence of President Babji, IPP Rajiv, who's also dear friend of all Surat 41ers and mentor for Area 4. From Mysore, we have Area 3 Chairman Arun, and lots of other friends from 41ers across the country, and not to forget BK Singh Dio, our National Secretary, is also here. From ladies, from Tangent Club, we have President Bijal and National Secretary Jyoti Singh Dio. From RTI, we have President-elect Priyesh Shah, Philip Moria, Hitesh Kairing is there. From LC, we have President Nidhi Gupta and the past president and friend Namrata Shenoy. I can go on. It is so nice to see so many people from all four organizations across the country. I see somebody from Guwahati as well. So it's so nice to have everybody here. As I keep saying, while COVID has really tied us down in some ways, it actually has given us tremendous freedom in many other ways. And the way we see here, a couple of days back, Club 220 of Ahmedabad did a project in Asansol. Today, 104 along with tables and circulars are doing their project here. So it just shows to the terrific spirit that is there in our organization. From the DNA of tabling and circling, we are today here as 41 Tangent Club. So I look forward to all four teams working together and doing greater community good. And I think COVID has once again, really brought us back to the spirit of contributing back to the community, something that we've been doing for such a long time. So I thank you for this great opportunity, Darshan Bhai and the entire team, along with Surat Tablers and Circulars. And I hope to see more projects, more Tangent clubs, more 41 clubs, both in Area 4 and across the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Srini. Now I would like to invite Tangent President Bijal to address us.
Good morning, Babji, Nidhi, Priyesh, BK Singh, Srini, Arun, Rajiv Mehra, Namrata, Swati, and all the other stalwarts who are present here in this morning. What is my purpose in life? I asked the void, and the voice replied, you fulfilled it when you paid for that young couple in that restaurant. You fulfilled it, tablers, circlers, 41ers, and Tangent members, when you all collectively helped the less fortunate with rations and essentials in the last 2 months. And today, you're fulfilling it again by creating infrastructure facilities like hostels for these young, beautiful children. When you choose to act out of compassion and love, you are aligned with your true purpose. Congratulations, 41 Club number 104, Roundtable 135, 265, 195, Ladies Circle 72, 138, and Prospective Tangent Club number 32. You guys have truly gone that extra mile and made a difference. Thank you.
Thank you, Bijal. And once again, those who have joined late, since I cannot see who have joined, but I once again welcome and acknowledge your presence, all the national dignitaries and area of dignitaries and all my fellow friends from Tabling, Circling and 41ers. I welcome you all once again. Now I would request President-elect Roundtable India, Priyesh, to say a few words.
Thank you, guys. Good morning. Good morning from the. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot for having me over. Warm greetings from Roundtable India. A very good morning to all the stalwarts. I will not spend some more time in recognizing each one of you. Each one of you get a smile on my face at the time I see you. A wonderful start to a Sunday morning. Thank you for having us over, friends. Ahmedabad, Kim Cho. Kim Cho, Ahmedabad. A personal touch to me when it is Ahmedabad because I just had my jalebi kathia kota in the morning. So
Yes, Surat, not Ahmedabad. Sorry.
I would call it Gujarat. So Gujarat, for everything is Gujarat kind of thing. Friends, coming back to the Corona times, I think Corona times is something which is the best thing which happened to all the associations for us to know what our strength is. I think in the last 2 months, the kind of activities which we have done just goes to tell us that what our strength together we can achieve. Close to about 25 crores of non-FTE project is what we have done together with 41ers. So I would personally like to thank the 41ers for all the support, the Tangent Club, Bijal and Nidhi from LC India. Thanks a lot for all the support standing together in these difficult times. In fact, I would like to not call the group as side-by-side group. I would like to call the group as hand-in-hand group because that is how we have been working this year. And I hope to be working with the 41ers Association in future also in the similar way. Congratulations for the wonderful project. I think this is first of its kind hybrid module which I have been visiting. Out of the few thousands of Zoom meetings which we have attended, this is the first hybrid module which again we need to accept for the coming year. So thanks a lot to the 41ers for inviting us for this hybrid module where we understand how it can be done, and it's a learning from all you guys. So thanks a lot for having us over, friends. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyesh. Now I would request LC India President Nidhi to say a few words.
Very good morning to all the dignitaries. Yes, have a whole array of stalwarts from Roundtable India, Ladies Circle India, 41ers, Tangent, International. It is a very, as Priyesh said, hand in hand is what we have worked on, and many congratulations. COVID, as Priyesh said, I think the best represented our mottos. So as Roundtable and 41ers are the same family, and Tangent. So we have adopted and adapted to the new way and improved by moving ahead. And as Ladies Circle, we believe in friendship and service. There has been no lockdown on friendship and no lockdown on any service. That has been done in these 3 months of challenging times. And regarding today's project, just 2 lines in Sanskrit, which I would like to share with everyone today. Paropkaraya phalanti vriksha, paropkaraya vahanti nadya, paropkaraya duhanti gavaha, paropkararthamidam shariram. Just like the tree bears fruits for others, to satiate their hunger. Just like the river flows to quench the thirst of others. Just like the cow that wanders and shares milk for humankind. The human birth is to help those who need it the most. And I sincerely thank our organizations, 41ers, Tangent, Ladies Circle, and Roundtable India, for giving us this platform to make use of our birth for helping others who need it the most. So it's been a beautiful project of providing these hostel facilities to the young faces sitting out there, and no mask can cover their smile, because their smiles are ones of extreme gratitude. So lots and lots of love. बच्चों को खूब प्यार. हैप्पी संडे. ये संडे आप सब बच्चों के लिए बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. अपने नए हॉस्टल को अच्छे से रखना, खूब मन से पढ़ना, बड़े होना. And many congratulations to Roundtable 135, 265, 195, 72, 138, 41ers Club 104, and Prospect Tangent Club of 32. I think Share Your Joy has been truly spreading joys all over, and Ladies Circle India has been privileged to tie hands. Thanks to Babji and Prashant for this opportunity to tie hands to share the little joys of life. Thank you so much for making us a part of this platform while sitting in the comfort of our homes. Thank you.
Thank you, President Nidhi. You are right in saying that the smiles cannot be hidden by the mask. You can see all the children. We have maintained social distancing, and everybody, they are wearing masks, and we have tried our level best. And yes, of course, this hospital facilities will be really helpful to all of them. That's it from here. Now, if anyone else would like to say a few words, otherwise we can end the Zoom. And I hope you, and once again, officially, I would like to thank you all for joining us on this occasion on behalf of 41 72, Ladies Circle 72, Table 135, and Table 195, and SURD 138. So, on behalf of all of us from Surat, we would really like to thank you all for joining all of us here on a Sunday morning. Shrini, anything else?
That will be all. Thank you very much, Chairman Darshan.
You still, as we are on, you can invite anybody else to speak if they want to.
Yeah, I also want to,
since they have all joined, yeah.
Our IRO Pankaj Singh, who has joined us. There are lots of messages on Facebook, on this chat group. I think technology just helps us reach more people, more places. I'm sure lots of other people will also be watching this on YouTube later. Thank you very much. Over back to you, Darshan. And anybody wants to say something, I'm unmuting everybody.
Hello, hi. Hello.
Yeah, you're audible, Prashant.
Okay, just memories of our area on four wheel, initiated by our great Srini and Kumar, and we're all there at Surat. What a fantastic time you guys gave us here. Not only the breakfast and eating all the local delicacies, but amazing bonding here. Hope to do Surat once again in about 4 to 6 months again. Thank you and all the best.
Yeah, Srini, can I go ahead?
Yes, please.
Good morning, everyone. Greetings from National Secretary 41 India. It is great to join you all in the days of the new normal for the handover ceremony of hostel upgradation facilities at Surat. Congratulations and best wishes to President Babji, AC Srini, SYJ Convener Prashant Shah, Chairman and Secretary and members of Surat Club 104, and the Roundtable and Ladies Circle fraternity of Surat. Friends, we are living in troubled and uncertain times, so be safe and take care, everyone. Thank you.
Srini, you want to moderate? Anybody else want? I think Rajiv is there. Rajiv, you want to say something? Yeah, unmute yourself, Rajiv.
Rajiv, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Darshan bhai, fantastic initiative here. Really proud of you guys. You know, my association with all of you was right from the time of inception of the Surat Roundtable 135. You know, when and memories of that, I have been so everlasting. And today again, seeing this kind of a warm initiative coming out of the club in these trying times, is something that really touches one person completely. Yes, today all of you have really sat down and shared your joy with the children of, and given them, a better place and a better environment to sit down and live and study and grow ahead. So heartiest congratulations to you, Darshan, and to everyone from 104 and from Roundtable, all the tables that were involved in the project and the circles. Like Nidhi also mentioned and Priyesh also said, this is a fantastic idea. Our international concept of tabling. I call it tabling because all these organizations are associated with tabling. So the international concept is side by side, where all the 4 associations, rather 5 organizations, they work side by side. And today we've seen 4 of them working together and achieving such a lovely milestone that you all have done today. So wish you guys all the very best and love forever. Cheers and God bless.
Good morning. Can I speak, Srini?
Yeah, please.
Good morning to everybody at Surat and all the dignitaries here. I am Pankaj Singh. I am the IRO of the 41ers Club, India. First of all, my thanks to Srini, the area chairman, who invited me to be on the Area 4 wheels. And I got an opportunity to meet the lovely people of Surat, I had grown up in Baroda and heard great things about Surat, about the nature of people and how outgoing and fun-loving they are. And I had the opportunity to, witness that when I was in your town. One thing that really struck me then was that all the clubs and the members, the affection they have for each other and the respect they have for each other, the closeness of the clubs at Surat really, impressed me. And I thought that this is definitely a city which is going to perform great things on the 41 map on the country. From this has emanated this day, wherein the city has performed, and many congratulations to Darshan Bhai, definitely, who's made for much bigger things with the kind of exposure he has got, and the Surat 41ers and the roundtablers who have joined together. This is a great opportunity to also thank our president and my dear friend Prashant Shah, who all have worked together to see this day, and we are very happy to be here. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Rajiv.
One dialogue in Gujarati, Pankaj. Pankaj Singh, North Indian speaking Gujarati. Come on, go.
ભાઈ તમે ત્યાં બોલાવો એટલે હું વાત કરું ને યાર. Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, anyone?
Darshan, you have to unmute. Darshan is trying to speak, I think, Srini.
Yeah, you can unmute yourself.
Darshan, you have to tell him, I don't know.
You can use this then.
Yeah.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, Darshan.
See, the weather conditions are not very about to rain, so I would like to thank everyone for joining. And can we end this Zoom?
Yes, certainly.
Okay, Darshan, all the best. Take care. We will continue. There's some more greetings coming up, and then we'll close the meeting.
Yeah, sure.
You can carry on.
Thank you all for joining us. Thank you all for Surat. Thank you.
Anybody else wants to say something?
Can I say?
Yeah, I guess. No,
I'm audible?
Yes, please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. It was amazing to listen to all of you. Well, Surat definitely has been creating history forever now, because I was a part of one of their projects last year, which was stalled for almost 10 years. And along with the 41ers Club, the tablers and circlers did some magic and got that project inaugurated. So it was one of its kind, which when I had come last year. So history repeats, and once again with this virtual platform for all of us, and with the COVID, nothing has stopped you all to bring back this amazing project. I think one of its kind, the first project I have been attending, or most of us have been attending after these times have started. Secondly, it's very nice to see all the 4 associations working hand in hand this year like never before. Congratulations to all of you, and we are very proud from the international board to see all of you working together. Thank you so much.
Anyone else wants to say something, please? So So I think, Babji, we are.
Yes, Rini, you can say a word of thanks and close the meeting.
Thank you, everybody, for joining. This project inauguration. All 4 organizations together on the same platform. It's so amazing to have you all from Area 4 and 41 clubs, along with the Roundtable, LC, and Tangent. I want to thank you, everybody, for joining. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your support and encouragement. Good day. Bye-bye.